Good day. In this video I'll be showing you how to install Laravel in c9.io. So if you have already watched my two previous videos and you got Laravel working, then there's no need to watch this. So this is just to make sure that everyone has Laravel working on their c9.io workspace. So let's start by creating a new GitHub repository. So the only one who's going to create the GitHub repository is the group leader. And then, so let's write it down here. So group leader creates a GitHub repository, and then the group members should be cloning the GitHub repository created by the leader. Okay. So first, the group leader will create a GitHub repository. So let's do that now. So go to github.com and then click on this button, or you can go here and your repository. So let's say the repository name is my project. Then you can add in optional description. So you don't have to do anything here. Just enter the repository name and click on create repository. Okay. So once that's done, it will give you this SSH URL. So you can actually toggle this. So HTTPs, then you have SSH. So you have to select the SSH one. Okay. So once you're here, you need to add the group members. So this is actually the leader who is creating, as we have mentioned here. So the group leader will now click on settings and then click on collaborators. Then you have to search the username of your group members. So let's try to search someone. Okay. Then you can add the collaborator using this button. Okay, so now this person is now a collaborator and he can now directly push to the repository. So let's add another one, then click on this. Okay, so these two are now collaborators and they can directly push to the repository using the git push command. So now let's proceed with the c9.io. So go in your c9.io account, then click on the create new workspace button. So enter the name of your project. So this is now the second step. Oh no, third step. So the second step is to add the collaborators. And the third step is go to c9.io and create a new workspace. So super awesome project. Then click on PHP, and now you can go back here and click on the title of your project. and then copy this URL and paste it in here. Once that's done, you need to click on the create workspace button. So now the project has been cloned. So there's nothing here because we haven't actually pushed anything yet to this repository. So now what we will do is to install Laravel. So first, let's try to check if Composer is already installed. So to check that, type in Composer in the bash terminal. So yes, Composer is installed because it's saying that these commands are available. So now to install Laravel, you have to go to laravel.com and then click on the documentation. And the first page that you will see is the installation page. So scroll it down until you see this section. So via Composer create project. So copy this command and then go to c9.io and Control V, then enter. Okay, so I'll just pause the video for a while it's installing. Okay, so after 25 years now it's done installing. So as you can see, there's now a Laravel folder. So to run Laravel, you have to click on this run project button. So now it's serving in this URL. So copy this and then paste it in here. So as you can see, we have the Laravel folder as we have in here. So we have to go in here and then choose the public directory. So this is the default Laravel page. So to customize this, you have to go to the app, then HTTP, and then the routes file. So open this app by double clicking. So as you can see here, it's returning a welcome view. So to use a view, you have to call the view function. So views are basically templates in Laravel. So it contains HTML code. So views can be found in the resources directory and then views. So this is the welcome view. So as you can see, the file name is welcome.blade.php, but in here we only have welcome. So you have to omit the extension. So the extension is .blade.php. so we only need to put the welcome. So we open this up, then we can see the HTML code. So it's very simple. So if we change this and save, so when saving in c9.io, you have to press on Ctrl S. So let's go back, and this should change to Laravel's. Okay, there. So that's it for this video.